Hi folks, welcome to 2181 School Road in Warwick Township, O&J Roberts School District. I'm very excited to show you this home. The owners did a fabulous job on maintaining the property. The home has great bones. It has brand new siding, brand new windows, brand new roof, impeccably cleaned and well maintained. This home is approximately 2,200 square feet of living space, and taxes are about $5,700. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial. Obviously from the entrance, we have a foyer that goes into the formal living room with a nice picture window to the outside. We have over 2 acres of property here. Living room leads into the formal dining room. They did a great job in updating the light fixtures throughout the home as well. They just refinished the kitchen. Brand new flooring, brand new granite, subway tile, stainless steel appliances, and they even put a coffee serving area in. The kitchen opens, you can have it as an eat-in, or it opens right into the sunken family room with open beam ceilings. I really love the mantel. Look at the pegboard mantel. Stone fireplace with wood burning insert. They also have a powder room leading to the laundry area. So you have first floor laundry. And one thing about this property, tons of storage and closets. Off of the sunken family room, we have a workstation. So for today's times, with people working out of the house and children studying out of the house, this room would be ideal. Has a walk-in closet over there, and the home has its own, the work area has its own outside exit. Owners did a fabulous job on maintaining this home. Off of the family room, we have the sliders to the enclosed porch, and it is a partially fenced yard. We have a fenced area here and a fenced area for the above ground pool. Property extends far beyond the pool area. Again, it's 2.2 acres of property. For those folks that love the country setting, this is it, but you want the conveniency, we are walking distance to St. Peter's Village. So you can walk there for your entertainment and dining pleasure. Going up to the second level, we have a whole house fan and a walk-up attic. There's the whole house fan, walk-up attic cord there. But look at the size of this bedroom. Here is the main bedroom. It's huge. The other thing that I'm really impressed about the home is all the windows. There's so much light. It's a very, very bright house. So you have double closets there. And I'm sorry I did not turn the light on. We have a full ensuite right here. Everything has been renovated. Here's the second bedroom. We have overhead ceiling fans in all the rooms. The hall bath, all tiled and marble surround, double vanity. Linen closet. The third bedroom. and the 4th bedroom. All you have to do with this property is just unload your car and unpack, as it's really just move-in condition. We also have the basement, which is really nice because this lends itself to even additional space. Has outside exit. We call this kind of a daylight, outside exit with a double window. And we have a utility room here as well as there. It's definitely worth a tour, folks, on taking a look at 2181 School Road.